You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly. Yes, indeed, if you want to pronounce and learn more correct pronunciations in English, stay tuned. I have more videos for you. You found the right channel. Those two are pronounced you. The top word, Y-O-U, you already know what it is. It's you, all right? You. I, you, they, them, we, you. Now, the bottom word is a coniferous tree. So it's a type of tree, a species of tree, and it's pronounced also you. So those two words are homophones, meaning they have the exact same pronunciation as you. I believe there's a slang term, you, meaning that you're awesome or excited. You. It's also used in slang, you. Now you know all about the pronunciation of you, don't you? Yes, you do. Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.